told you before, now I'm telling you again. Patience is the hardest commodity to sustain. It's all about the love, tell the truth, I'm well prepared. Bega follow pants, Abafuni Siphumelele. Told you before, now I'm telling you again. Patience is the hardest commodity to sustain. It's all about the love, tell the truth, I'm well prepared. Bega follow pants, Abafuni Siphumelele. You'll be lying if you say I let go. When it comes to rap, I've gotta be the president. Saucy bars, man, they don't need an Iron Man. I don't want no drumming, that is why I keep it leveraged. It was patience throughout the seasons, I almost quitted. In my sleep, man, I'm having visions, gotta believe that. I've been patient since I was 16, I'm getting dealer. I listen, let's get to business. They gotta feed this, they can't defeat me. Every week they must feel the cheating, eh? They won't mislead me or break the spirit. They came and speeding, the ship is singing, eh? I told you before, now I'm telling you again. Patience is the hardest commodity to sustain. It's all about the love, tell the truth, I'm well prepared. Bega follow pants, Abafuni Siphumelele. Told you before, now I'm telling you again. Patience is the hardest commodity to sustain. It's all about the love, tell the truth, I'm well prepared. Bega follow pants, Abafuni Siphumelele. Now I'm telling you again, patience is the hardest commodity to sustain. It's all about the love, tell the truth, I'm well prepared. Abafuni Siphumelele. Now I'm telling you again, patience is the hardest commodity to sustain. It's all about the love, tell the truth, I'm well prepared. Abafuni Siphumelele.